So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to collect payments through a Google Form, Google Forms doesn't have a built-in payment system, but you can easily connect it to a payment service using a payment link. So firstly, open Google Forms and create a new form. Add your title, description, and the questions you need for your order, service, or registration. Add questions for things like the customer's name, contact information, product or service, and any special requests. Click Add Title and Description from the toolbar on the right and use this section to explain how the payment works. Now, Google Forms doesn't directly process payments, so you'll need a payment service that provides a payment link. Once you have your payment link, add it to your form so users can open the payment page. You can also put the payment link in the confirmation message under Settings, Presentation, so users see it after submitting the form. Now, use the preview to make sure the payment link works correctly and that users can easily find it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.